Hey guys, Steve here from Memory Express. We are live at CES on day 2. We're currently Intel Outside Zone, so we're going to check this out and, well, show you guys a little bit of the show floor and our coolest things we've seen so far. So, let's go do that. Okay, hey guys, Steve here. I'm currently at the Inwin booth at CES, and there's a lot of beautiful cases. But one that caught my attention, and well, I like it because the form factor, is the new ITX case here. So first thing you guys are gonna notice on the top here is our QR charging here. So quick charging on the go, pop your phone, other quick devices that have that. But we're gonna take a look inside the case because this is where the case really shines. So first thing you guys are gonna see here is our 650 watt power supply. There's a nice little shader here so you can't see it, but it's 80 plus gold. So it's gonna be a top quality power supply. So you don't have to worry about putting in any of your cards there. Next you guys are gonna notice here, beautiful RGB ring because there's never such thing as too much RGB. And all this space in here. So it's gonna be able to fit a full size RTX card in there. It's up to 2080 Ti. Strix cards won't have a problem. And that's where the 650 watt power supply comes in. So you'll be able to have nice clean energy. And of course, our beautiful RGB on the bottom. Case will be coming in black or white, so you guys don't have to worry about look. And of course, it's LAN friendly, so you content creators on the go, RGB enthusiasts, and of course, esports, you guys can take this thing anywhere with you. Pretty sick. Now, we're all fans of Inwin cases, but how about the fans? Inwin's featuring some of their new fans here, guys. We're looking at the new Crown series, the AC120s and the AC140s. Some of the cool features on here is their own new turbine design here as well. You can only daisy chain them together, so you can get something like this here to my left, this wonderful wall of RGB fans. Pretty cool. They will be available at the end of this month. Oh man, those are big boys. Wow. So guys, I just experienced probably one of the coolest gaming immersion experiences ever. It's Razer's new whole immersion with haptic feedback in your chair, your mouse, your keyboard, everything. And it really just pulls you into the gameplay. I just had a chance to play Doom and it was wild. I really can't put it into words, so what I experienced, it was probably the coolest gaming experience I've had in years, really. Just the mouse vibrating when you're shooting and feeling stuff in the back of the chair when I'm jumping and being chased, and then the keyboard moving with me. It's super cool. So I hope to see this out soon so you guys can experience it yourself, or hopefully we see this at a PAX East, PAX West so you can try it out yourself, but I'm genuinely blown away. This is really cool. This might be the highlight for my own CES alone, so Woweee.